Hi guys, welcome to Kweku Gadget. In today's video, I want to show you how you can buy MTN data bundle at a very cheap price. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. So first, I'll have to locate my dialer. That's my phone dialer. So I'll click on it. And this is the code that we are going to use. Star 141. It's a very simple code. So I'll dial it. Okay. Now we have a lot of options here. So normally I normally go in for the 4.3 gig for 1 day pack, which goes at 5.5 Ghana cedis. I think this is the highest one that you can get when you are using this code. So let's explore more. 99. Let me type 99. See here, I can get 1.1 gig for 30 days at 10 cedis, 3 pesos. And here too, I have 890 megabytes for 3 days for 5 cedis. And this one I have 2.2 gig for 12 cedis. So let me dot 99 again. And the last option is 1.1 gig for 7 cedis. 1.1 gig for 7 days, which will cost us 10 cedis. I normally do the 4.3 for 5 cedis, 50 pesos. That is the option that I always go in for. So I'll go back. So I'll dial 0 and I'll go back. Another 0 and I'll go back. So we are back to number 1. So let's choose number 1. Oh, you confirm. Okay. Okay, I think we are done with it now. So let me go and check my bundle. So I think when this one is added to be around 11 gig. So let's check. 1, 2, 4. Yeah. So 11 point something gig. So I think that's all. If this video has helped you, I would like you to subscribe, like, and also share this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.